So I had to stop the video. Yeah. So this is a continuation of what's going on. Now, a few weeks ago, you see that there? A few weeks ago, Thames water came outside the house, and all of this brrrr. I go, well, what's all this drilling going on? So they're basically, let me switch this off because it's going to start beeping. Right? And they dug up the whole of the street. Yeah. My next door neighbour, look, dug up all of this, dug all of that up, and basically they put down and changed something in the pipe work. Yeah. Then I threw a little letter saying, yeah, because of the old school pipe system, they used to have leads, you need to drain your water. You need to run your tap water for at least 2 minutes every day. Yeah, 2 minutes every day to kind of get it out because of the old system, right? But on top of that, they had little meters in the ground which weren't activated yet because the guy said they had to come and do it in 2 stages. Yeah, you hearing me? They had to do it in 2 stages. So they had to lay all the groundwork first. Yeah, dig it up. Yeah, they put the meters in there, but they wasn't activated. Yeah, they wasn't activated. So they had little plastic things on top where you couldn't step over them these grey things here. You couldn't step over this because you had the plastic thing there. You couldn't step over that. Right, it's plastic. Then they came back because I came out with this, done a little test. Oh, obviously it's not activated because there's no electronics in there at the moment. Cool. So 2 weeks later, they come back and obviously they've laid it. Yeah, you can see they've cemented it. You can see that's fresh cement. Yeah, they've done that up nice and neatly. It's all good. You think, oh yeah, it's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, they've done that. So I'm going out to the shops again today, and I was like, oh, let me just test this thing out. So I took my meter. Yeah. Now watch this. Let me go back to my house because I'm not playing no games here. Right. This is serious. This is serious things. Right. And this all connects to 5G and everything else. Right. I'm going to switch this on so you know it's not no bullshit. I've come out my house. Right. So let me just test it out. 0 reading, yeah, fams? Look, 0 reading. Right, let's just do this together. Just so you know, man, they're playing no frigging games out here. Yeah, watch this. Ooh, what's going on there? Yeah, watch this. Let me turn around. Right, basically this whole street is live-o. This whole street is fucking live, yeah? Not no joke. Yep. Watch the readings, bruv. Yeah? I'm not making this up, bruv. Watch, I'm gonna go out into the street. Oh, we got 0 now. It's on the pavement. So it stops about there. Watch this again. I can walk all the way up this street because they've done it all the way up this road, and this will continually be beeping. Bro. Whether it's pulsating, remember that's the new track lines they've done. Yeah. Watch, I'm not joking. Say the joke. You can see the fresh. You can see the freshness. Stops there. Okay. Turn around. Okay. This ain't no joke. This ain't no joke readings, fam. Yeah? When it starts beeping, that means it's harmful. Look. Yeah? It's not. I don't know what to say, I'm gobsmacked. I can walk all the... Listen, they've done it... I'm not going to walk all up the road. They've done it all up the road. Both sides, yeah? And I've never seen them smash out construction so quick. Literally, one day, brrr, the whole side was done. I remember they come in 2 parts. They've done it 2 parts. Yeah? Where's my car? I'm going out. I forgot where I bought the car now. Yeah, I'm not pressing no buttons. Not pressing no buttons. Okay. Not pressing no buttons. But all I'm saying is this is letting off frequencies which is bad for humans. Long and short. Yeah? Link this up with 5G, guess what you got? Brain damage, cancer, all them other fucking things. Remember, we're bioelectric humans, so we feel all this shit. And might not feel it now, but slowly inside, guess what happens? You get fucked. Not fucking joking. Watch when I go into the road. Watch, this is gonna go off. Watch. Stops. Yeah, I'm on the road. I'm in the road now. So you can see a lot backing off, back on the pavement. Oh, here we go again. Not a joke. So I'm just trying to open people's eyes here, man.